In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Google Analytics in just 5 minutes. Now, if you're new to Google Analytics, or you're simply looking to get the data you need quickly and efficiently, this guide is just for you. Let's dive in and break down the process step by step, ensuring that you gain the insights you need from your analytics data. To begin with, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Google's homepage. Once there, navigate to the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to either choose your Google account from the options presented, or enter the email address associated with your Google Analytics account. After selecting your account, enter your password to gain access. Now that you're signed into your Google account, focus your attention on the Google Apps menu, which you can find at the top right side of the page. This menu, represented by a grid of 9 small dots, is your portal to a variety of Google services. Go ahead and click this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with different Google applications. Among the applications listed, you should see an option for Google Analytics. Select it, and you'll be taken to your Google Analytics dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub for measuring your website's traffic and performance, and it's where you'll be exporting your data from. Once you're in Google Analytics, you need to navigate to the Reports section. This is where your analytics data is organized in different reports, and it's crucial for accessing the data you want to export. Look towards the top of your screen and you'll notice a share icon. Clicking this icon will present you with a few options. We're almost there. Next, choose the option that says Download File. By clicking this, you're given further choices in terms of the file format you want your data exported. Depending on your needs, you can choose to export to Google Sheets for a seamless integration with other Google services, or download CSV, which is a versatile format that can be opened in various spreadsheet applications. Make sure to select the format that best suits your needs for further analysis or sharing purposes. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've successfully exported your data from Google Analytics. Remember, whether you're looking to analyze trends, create reports, or simply archive your data, these steps will help you do so quickly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.